These are files that were specifically made for sharpening your utility tools, hatchets, axes, mulls, you name it. Angle is everything. Been doing this for years. No, I don't mark my edges or anything. I don't need to. I don't know. I think when it comes to sharpening your tools, I think some people may have a more natural skill than others, but it just comes natural to them. The angle, the stroke, either you got it or you don't. And yeah, there are different aids. I find that the stuff that they try and sell you in the store where they're already creating an angle for you doesn't work for me. It might work for you, but it doesn't work for me. I'm old school. This is the way I was brought up. This is the way we did it. It's the way they did it before my father, after my father, and it's the way we will continue to do it. Right now, I got an edge on here like you would not believe. But you guys have a blessed day. It's beautiful out here, but it's also a little chilly. I got my little supervisor right here with me, just making sure I got the edge on there good, and enjoy the fall, because it is beautiful. It is beautiful. It's beautiful on the mountains. I complain about cold weather. I complain about hot weather. I like it when it's just right. Spring and fall. There's no way I could live in a place that only has 2 seasons or less. I need my 4 seasons. And that's about all I'm going to say for today. Yeah, I'll have a blessed day. Keep sharp and keep it sharp. Amy out.